Hi guys. This is DC 5V to 12V charging module for 18,650 lithium battery UPS voltage converter module or UPS uninterruptible power control. These terminals provide two output voltages, ranging from 9 to 12 volts. These terminals are the 3.7 to 4.2 volt battery connections. These two terminals are 5 to 12 volt supply or input. For input I took a 12-volt charger. 3.7-volt lithium-ion batteries can be taken. I took a 6,000 mAh lithium polymer battery for this project as a backup for many times. I connected the positive and negative terminals of the module's battery. I connected a 2.1 DC power jack female socket to provide 12-volt input. It is dual color LED. Dual color LED is set to red and green and connected to the module. I checked the battery voltage and output voltage before giving 12-volt input. The battery showed 3.3 volts and the output 9.10 volts. Now after giving 12-volt input, I checked battery voltage and output voltage in charging state. In this case the output showed 11.72 and the battery 3.19 volts. My today's project is now tested and the module needs to be deployed in a box. That's why I took an unused device box. Removed unnecessary parts from the box and made modifications. I connected a 2.1 DC power jack female socket to input 9 volts to 12 volts. .1 DC power jack female socket 2 holes were made and the socket was connected to make 9 to 12 volt output. I used double-sided tape to secure the module to the box without screws. Then I connected all the connections as before or to the designated terminals of the module. This is an IN 4007 diode. It is connected to the output connection. It is a single main power supply, so it only gives output but will never act as an input. As a result, the output of the module will not enter the module even if the 12-volt input is given to the 2.1 DC power jack female socket. As a result, the module will not be damaged. Connect the battery positive terminal. Connect the battery negative terminal. Output negative terminal connection, which is provided in 2 output 2.1 DC power jack female socket. The output positive terminal connection, which is an IN 4007 diode, is given to 2 output 2.1 DC power jack female socket. 12-volt input negative terminal connection. 12-volt input positive terminal connection. After setting up the module in the box, everything is checked again. As everything is set up properly, the charging indicator hole is made in the box and the cover is wrapped in the box. After giving the box cover, everything is checked again. My project today is now usable. I will test with a 9-volt router. Router's mini UPS is working properly when charging and input 12 volts. I will use it myself. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends, and you can tell me more about it by comment. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and press the bell button to get the next video. Thank you very much and best wishes for you.